Okay, another water leak found video on this 2006 Lexus RX 400H. I'm going to make my way into the rear of the car. The customer's been explaining of water ingress into the rear footwell, mainly passenger side. Now we've got some water running onto the top of the car where the roof bar is, and the water's making its way from high up from the roof bars in a bad welded seam. Travels from the top down into the base of the car. You can make out there's some few drips occurring here and here, fairly constant dripping, which over a period of time with heavy rainfall will get the rear of the car quite wet. And the customer's actually dried the car out before coming to us, so there's no wet footwells currently, but with a persistent problem, this is why he's here. We're trying to get this fixed for him. And that is one of the leaks. There are two on this car. I'll